Every business, especially small businesses, need to be on TikTok. TikTok is one of the single biggest opportunities for small businesses to get out there right now. And a lot of people, especially business owners who might not keep up with social media as much, might think, oh, that's a platform for children. They just do music and dance on there. But it's no longer just that. Over 36% of TikTok's audience is now between the age of 34 and 54, with an influx of the older demographic joining this last year and continuing the trend into this year. Not only that, but TikTok was the most downloaded app of all time. It also has over 1 billion active users, and the average time that each TikTok user spends on the platform per day is 96 minutes. Not only is it one of the fastest growing social medias, but it has one huge advantage for small businesses over other platforms. It is the easiest place to get discovered. And this is due to TikTok's For You page. You initially start when you open the app on their For You page, which is pretty much just curated content they have for you based off your interests. Meaning, unlike other social platforms where you start and you see everyone you're already following and their content, you see new people's content that you're probably going to be interested in, meaning it is very easy as a smaller business or smaller account to get discovered. So this gives you the best chance to get discovered by an audience that might not know you exist already without already having a big following. And the majority of people on TikTok already have other social medias like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc., meaning that you can get this initial discovery on TikTok and then utilize that to move them over to other platforms or your website, for example. So not only is TikTok's initial discovery way better than other platforms, but it also has way higher engagement rates as well. So TikTok's average engagement rate is 4.25%, with Instagram being 0.6%, Facebook being 0.15%, and Twitter being 0.05%. Another interesting engagement stat is that TikToks get 44% more comments than Instagram Reels. And I know some businesses might be writing this off already, saying, well, I'm a doctor or a lawyer or a dentist, whatever it be. I'm in a professional space. How can I get on TikTok? I don't know what to post. Does it work? But there's actually so many great examples of people who are doctors, lawyers, other kind of high education skilled positions like that are doing extremely well on TikTok. And most of the time people think of these professions, if they made content, it would be super boring, but it doesn't have to be boring and it doesn't have to be super over the top either. People love getting information and learning new things, especially from people they see as experts, such as doctors, lawyers, therapists, graphic designers, whatever it be. So it can really work in any niche. If you can benefit from getting more eyes on your product or your service, then it can benefit you. And that would be literally every business. Now let's talk about some of the negatives of TikTok. One of these is something you may have already heard about, and this is the growing concern of TikTok being banned. However, this is highly unlikely. If you're wondering the reason, well, the US actually banned TikTok or the use of TikTok on all government devices. This is due to concerns of data leaking out to the parent Chinese company ByteDance, who owns TikTok. So they're concerned about the data safety and the privacy and potential information leaking. However, the ban on government devices doesn't really mean anything, and I don't see TikTok being banned in the future. But if for some reason it ever did get banned, this is just why you don't keep all your eggs in one basket and you have multiple social platforms you're growing and sharing the users and followers between those. One other con of TikTok comes from its biggest benefit actually, and that is people starting on the For You page, which again is just where when you open the app, you initially start out there and it's just content that TikTok thinks you would be interested in. So you have an opportunity to discover new users. This does also mean, however, that the people who already do follow you, if you built a following, are starting on that page as well, meaning they have to click over to see your content that you already posted. So compared to something like YouTube where you have a subscriber feed and you can see kind of all your new subscriptions and people you follow, you have this as well, but it's not where you start. However, a lot of times people you follow will end up being in your For You page because TikTok knows that's the content you're interested as well. So that is another con as well. Those are just some of the reasons you should be on TikTok if you're looking to grow your business, especially small businesses. It is the easiest place to get discovered, completely free. And on top of that, they also have options to kind of promote and push more posts if you are looking to do a paid type of content. It's also a very easy way to connect with an audience because they are more engaged on TikTok than other platforms. And a lot of the younger generation is there. So if you're not already on TikTok, it's something you need to look into doing.